Turning photos into stickers is a great way to turn a moment into a gift. And if you have a business, custom stickers can be a great product for your customers or a fun takeaway. But in this video, we'll walk you through how to create your own custom stickers. Let's take a look. To start, you want to take your photo and edit it in a photo editing software like Photoshop. You'll want to cut out your design and isolate the main element of your photo. You can adjust the brightness and adjust other filters to get the desired look for your photo as well. If you're cutting your own stickers, you'll also want to make sure that your designs have a white border around it if you don't want to print edge to edge. For the next step, you'll want to visit OnlineLabels.com. If you're ordering custom stickers, this is where the tutorial ends. You just have to upload your artwork, set your material, finish, and we'll do the rest. If you're cutting your own stickers, this is where you can choose a blank sticker paper that works for you. We have dozens of materials to choose from, compatible with inkjet and laser printers. If you're looking for something durable, our weatherproof materials are great options, but we also have glossy, craft, and way more. If you're printing stickers at home, you can start by placing your sticker paper in your printer. Then you'll want to arrange your sticker design onto your sheet using your preferred design software. We're going to use Cricut Design Space here because we're going to be cutting it on a Cricut Explorer machine. Once everything looks good, you're ready to print. Once your printing is done, if you have an electronic cutting machine like a Silhouette Cameo or Cricut Explorer, you can use this to cut out your stickers. These are a great investment because it eliminates human error and adds for greater consistency with your sticker cuts. But if you don't have access to this, scissors work great too. If you plan on making a lot of stickers, cutting them by hand or using a cutting machine may not be the most efficient use of your time, and that's when we'll definitely recommend ordering die-cut stickers. Once you get the hang of it, making your own stickers is a lot of fun. In addition to photos, you can make stickers out of logos, illustrations, and almost anything else you can think of. Try it out yourself, and don't forget to submit your designs to us at OnlineLabels.com and get $10 off your next order. You can learn more in the description, and thanks for watching.